How to start an online business for beginners. Is it easy? Kind of. It's not too awful hard. All you have to do is decide which program you want to use. You need to research. You need to find out which ones are scams and which ones are not. When you find a program that you've done your research on, criteria meaning you need to make sure you can contact them for customer support if you have issues. I've been in several programs where I could not contact anybody. I had to email contact support and would wait 3 or 4 days for a response, and it was just an automated generated response. So, can you contact them for customer support? Do they have community support? If you don't, do you really want to be in that? Is there monthly fees involved? Is there no monthly fees involved? If there's monthly fees, how much are they? There's a lot of different programs out there that are ready for you to start, but which one's going to fit your goals? So the thing that I looked for after being scammed out of a lot of money is, do they have customer support and do they have a community support? So this Legacy Builders program that I have found has over 40,000 people in this community. We have a web page called the Digital Growth Community where we all go on and we support each other. If we need help, we go on there and usually somebody answers our questions fairly quickly. We put our wins on there. If somebody's having a bad day, we all go in there and we support them and we make their day better. That is what community support's about. You always have that community support 24/7. Now, we also have customer support. So we get on there, and if we're having technical issues, we have live webinars twice a week for this program for tech support. So if you can't join one of those live webinars, you can always go into the community support page, and we have a tech spot where you can put your question in, and 9 times out of 10, it's answered fairly quickly. And if they can't answer it fairly quickly, usually a tech support person will try and get with you. So customer support, community support. The other thing is, reselling the Legacy Builders program is like any other affiliate marketing, except there's one big kicker to it. With this Legacy Builder program, what you do is you buy into the program. There's a one-time fee to buy in. You have a $29 website fee that goes and it keeps our community page up and running. And then whatever domain you use for your business domain, some of them have, like I used GoDaddy. GoDaddy was, I think, $64 for my business domain and my email and the protection. So those are your fees, guys, and that's it. Somebody said, well, that's an awful lot, $900. We have 4 different price points. We have 100, 300, 600, and 900. You don't have to join in under the 900. You can join in under the 100, try it for 30 days, and see if it's something that's going to fit your goals. If you decide that it's going to fit your goals and you want to go upgrade, you can always upgrade. It's like going to a restaurant and you have a hamburger. You have a hamburger steak that has mushrooms and onions on it. This is what I tell people. Then you have a sirloin. Then you have a ribeye. And then you have a T-bone. With each upgrade, you're going to get more stuff. So if you jump in at the 900 Legacy Builders program, not only do you get to resell all 4 programs, you get the rights to resell all 4 streams of income, but you get thousands of more bonuses. You get Canva courses, you get all kinds of stuff. We have a live interactive webinar. This is not an e-learning program that you buy into. They send you all the ebooks and you have to figure it out on your own. We have live webinars, live mentoring webinars bi-weekly. We have community support. We have thousands of videos that guide you step by step into how setting up your online business. It is a live interactive program. It is not a course. So that is the main difference in other affiliate marketing or other e-learning programs. Is other e-learning programs do not have the community support, and they are not a live integrated, continuous, ever-changing, evolving program like this is. Also, when you go into affiliate marketing, you're rebranding, remarketing, and repromoting somebody else's product for a little bit of a commission, right? This program, when you resell it, the first time you resell that program, you've made your initial investment back. It's paid off. Every time you resell that program after that, it's 100% commission revenue to you and only you, my friend. Who doesn't want 100% commission? Like, seriously. And we are mentored by a self-made millionaire. The lady who established this program established this program is a self-made millionaire. She doesn't make any commission off of us. Only you make commission off of you. So if you are interested about learning more about this Legacy Builders program, if you go to my bio, I have a September 25th live webinar that you can watch, get more information about it, or my webpage is in there. Click on my webpage. It's www.michellepgetpaideveryday.com. Click on that, put your email in, and I will get you out an email that says everything you need to know about the program. And you can always email me with any questions, you guys. So, like I said, this is a program. It is not a course that we just shove everything at you and you have to learn on your own. Hope you enjoyed this information. You guys have a great night.